Hi YouTube, this is Tara and welcome back to my channel. Okay, I'm just in for a quick video. Y'all, my eyeglasses are dirty. Oh my goodness. And this probably not gonna help. Okay. It is like 8 something. So I was actually getting ready to lay down to kind of go to sleep. And that's the infamous drink can. Right there. Okay, so I just got my glue, my Kiss maximum speed nail glue. This is not the one I ordered, I don't think. It's for Formula Flex Formula Strength, Super Strength. This is not the one that I ordered, I don't think, but I still used it and it looks like this. Okay, and so y'all know that nail that I was telling you all that was broken. You can't see it now. You kind of see like a little crack right here. I already glued it. I just put just a little bit glue on the nail right here. Okay. And then I just kind of held it for a few seconds and let it dry. And by all means, this is just a quick fix. So I also have like a little piece of paper here. So this is a tea bag. Okay, this is a lemon ginger tea bag. I hated to do it. I should have made a cup of tea first and then let this dry and cut it, but I didn't feel like having no tea, so God forgive me. I just pulled the tea out and used this tea bag. Now tea bags used to be made out of something a little bit more different than that. I think they used to be just a tad bit more porporous. But okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the glue and we're gonna put the glue on here. Okay, so you all probably can't really see it. The glue is on the inside. It's nice and shiny, right? So then we're gonna take, y'all not gonna be able to see, excuse me, my hand is my nails are ashy. We're gonna actually take this bag, this piece of tea bag, and we're gonna place it on here. And you really need a wood stick for this. So let me hurry up before I'm gonna use this plastic and just kind of put it here. Oh God, let's get it where it's in place. I want to come all the way over to the end. I'm sorry y'all can't see it, but see, it's all the way over like that. And so of course I'm just gonna put a little bit more. Try not to touch your nail with the tip of this, okay? And I'll tell you why. Because you don't want any glue to dry up that hole. Of course you can get something real thin and flimsy, okay, like a needle, like a sewing needle, and you can actually And let's pray and hope. Let me take my glasses off. Y'all, let's pray and hope that I covered. Yeah, I did. I covered it. This is just a temporary fix. And we just gonna let it dry. Of course, I placed an order from Temu. And I'm at my daughter's house. And my daughter got some new neighbors. And so, my daughter got some new neighbors. And I think they stealing. Because my daughter had a package to come. And her package was saying delivered. And so, we haven't had no problems with delivery in a while. The problems that we had was like maybe they had delivered it to the wrong building or the wrong address. Or maybe the people that were living next door was actually stealing those packages too. And we just didn't know it. But okay. So, yeah. So, also, I purchased nail polish remover. And let me show y'all the nail polish remover. And it's 100% acetone. So, this is what, you just flip the top open like this. Okay. And you take the top and you press down. I'm supposed to have like a cotton round. And you press down, right? And then you take it. Y'all see that? So you take it, and I just kind of hold it on there for a few seconds. Okay, hey, y'all getting content this weekend. What's up? Pat your girl on the back. Thumbs up. Click like, share, and subscribe. And because this is gel nail polish, that's why I asked for the 100% acetone. And see, it's coming off. I don't know if y'all can see that. My granddaughter is she probably going in the bed. Y'all, she's being potty trained. She's actually wearing panties. And she's wearing panties to bed at night. And she's not really having no accidents. So, kudos to her. She's 3. But see, it's all off. And so, I also ordered this. And it says Natalie's carrot, ginger, turmeric, and apple. 5 ingredients. And they did not lie. It's pretty good. I would probably add some honey to it or some pineapple juice, carrot juice, ginger puree, turmeric, apple juice, and lemon juice. And they did not lie. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I would have to actually do some research to see how they process this. If all they do is blend it, it's 100% natural and vegan. It's 2 servings in here. So it's 110 calories per serving. Okay, so if I drink this whole thing, that's going to be 220 calories. Total fat 1.5, saturated fat 0, trans fat 0, cholesterol 0, sodium. That's the preservative they put in here. It's 110 milligrams total carbohydrate. I'm trying this juice, taking my nail polish off. It's 23 carbohydrates, fiber 7, total sugars 12, added sugar 0, proteins 2 grams, vitamin D, calcium, iron, potassium, and vitamin A. All right, ingredients: carrot juice, ginger puree, turmeric puree, apple juice, and lemon juice. Okay, located in Florida. And it tastes pretty good. You can taste the ginger in it. So, it's dry. It's dry. It's dry. It's dry. Oh, y'all. It's actually stuck to my finger. I'm trying to cut that part off. Y'all can't see it. It's actually glued to my skin. Alright. Hey. Yeah. Hey. So I just broke that piece off. And this is still stuck to my nail. This glue right here. So yeah, anyway, that's what it looks like. I know y'all can't hardly see it, but you see, this is some of the paper and the glue that's stuck to my skin. So as I wash my hands and wash my fingers, that's probably gonna come off, which I am happy about. I would think like the harder it gets, the easier it would be to come off. So I wish I had my crystal file, but I don't. So there's the repair. And no, I don't take for granted that this nail is 100%, that it's not going to break or chip. I'm still going to be extra careful with it. And I'm just going to go ahead and take the rest of the nail polish off. Do y'all like this? I like it. It smells good. I ordered grapes because I know my granddaughter likes grapes. You better not be on that wall, ma'am. My granddaughter, she likes grapes. So I ordered grapes. Yeah, it take it out pretty fast too. So, let me show y'all this nail if y'all can see. My phone don't focus. And I think I gotta play some. On it. This is the nail that I'm always talking about that has the trauma. Right here. But you see it's grown out. You don't see any splits, any tears or anything. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna take that glue. Okay. We're going to take the glue. You better not be on that wall. Chloe, what you doing? Nothing. You always say that. And we're going to put it on the tip of this nail. But can y'all see that little droplet? I wish my phone would focus. Y'all see that little droplet? Y'all can see that little droplet. So I'm going to put some more. Okay. I don't want it on my skin at all. So now, y'all see that? It sounds like you writing on something. Okay. She in my makeup, y'all. I told y'all how that go. So we just gonna cut this part right here. I ordered some. What are you doing? Okay. So I think I was gonna do it while she was gone, but I forgot. And I started once they brought the stuff. But y'all, they came home right after. Okay. So it's not wet enough. It's not wet enough, but it's sticking. Yeah, that's good. So this is what it looks like. Okay, that's good. You had fun. So we're gonna go ahead and wait. I'm happy you had fun at the party. Yeah. That's good. You had fun. Okay.
Happy birthday.
So I'm gonna let this dry because she don't have no clothes on and she's trying to get in my footage. So I'm gonna let this dry and trim it. Okay, so my granddaughter has gone in there with her mom, and so here are I got some tools. I got some tools. Hey. I got some tools. Yeah. Same. Yeah, I just came home. It's dry. I'm just singing, y'all. It's dry. So I'm going to try to take this file and I'm going to start on this nail first. And let that fin. As you can see, I've taken most of the nail polish off. So let me go ahead in case she come back. Give this a couple of pumps. I'm just going to hold it on here like this. And you really need to wash your hands after you do this. This acetone expires 2/21/26. 2/21/26. Nope. So we might get a chance to apply the rocket fuel. Let me go ahead and show you how I'm just gonna file and buff it down like this. I really need another type of file or buffer. Okay, but this is how we're gonna do it. So I found my polishes. This is the rocket fuel, the one that I haven't tried or used by itself. My bag is, and this is the jelly. Y'all already know how I feel about that one. I went by it again, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this. It says apply 1